let's focus on some core and back work. We're gonna place the ball in between the thighs again, and then let's step towards the end of the mat. And then we're gonna roll down, easy, okay? Shoulders back and down, inhale. And exhale, chin to chest, arms heavy. Start with the head to roll down. Bend the knees and connect the hands with the ground. Then crawl forwards and join me in a quadruped position. Drop the knees and find a good, nice position with the wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, spine neutral, and tuck the toes under. Immediately start to push out of your shoulder blades. Look just in front of your fingers onto the floor, so neck is the extension of your spine. Take a deep breath in here. With the exhale, find the powerhouse and lift the knees just above the floor. Inhale to drop. And exhale, lift the knees and squeeze the ball. Yes, find each and every muscle of your powerhouse, pelvic floor, exhale. Belly in, close the rib arches, inhale to drop. Make sure you're not rounding your spine, just keep the spine neutral. And it's just a feeling of your feet pulling the mat to the side. Yeah, you can't see this movement, but you can feel it. And the feet, additionally, are pulling towards the hands and vice versa. So really get a nice core activation here. Okay, let's go for 2 more. And with the next exhale, keep the knees lifted and just focus on the ball. Inhale, release the pressure on the ball. Exhale, press the ball like crazy. Keep going. Inhale to release. Exhale to press. Spread your fingers and press your fingertips firmly into the ground. Elbows soft, shoulders down. Imagine pulling the mat to the side, pulling the feet towards the hands. Ooh, 2 more. With the next exhale, keep the pressure on the ball. Inhale, think about your right hand. And exhale, tap to your left shoulder with the right hand. Don't move the rest of the body. Inhale to bring it back. Exhale to switch to the other side. Try not to move the pelvis. Try to barely shift the weight. Just keep everything centered. Don't drop your head. Squeezing the ball. Come on, each side one more time. Everything is shaking. Okay, when both hands are on the floor, drop the ball and catch it. Woo! Drop it and catch it. Let's go. Awakening the inner kid. Let's play with the ball. Breathe for 8, 7, 6, 5. Break is close. 3, 2, 1. And then drop the knees. Maybe moving through the spine. Recover. Good work. Let's go for a little cat and cow exercise, but in a Pilates way. So return to neutral. And the goal in Pilates is to start each and every movement with the powerhouse. So while rounding your spine, we start the movement always with the pelvis. Okay, let's start with a nice inhale. And with the exhale, you tuck the tailbone under, the lower spine starts to round and the rest is following. Hold the flexion, inhale. Exhale, start with the pelvis again. Straighten the lumbar spine, the thoracic spine, and the last thing that rises up is the head. Exhale, tuck the tailbone under, zip everything in and up, round your back and hold it for your inhale. Exhale, tilt your pelvis forwards, straighten your lower back, and then the upper back. The last is the head that is coming up. Keep going. Needs a lot of focus, body awareness. This is a nice exercise to improve the spinal articulation. So the flexibility of each and every vertebra. So the big goal is not to move everything at the same time, but vertebra by vertebra. Not that easy. Give me one more round. I repeat the breathing rhythm. Inhale, neutral. Exhale, tuck the tailbone under, pulling the pubic bone towards the belly button. Inhale to hold. Press the floor away from you and then slowly return. Good work. So here with a soft and smooth back, we're gonna pick the ball, place it in front of you on the mat. Hands are moving one hand length further away from you. The rest of the body is following, so we are arriving in a kneeling plank position. Then with a strong push-up, we lower down on the belly. So the ball just directly in front of your head. We're gonna place the hands onto the ball, and then we're gonna start first of all with the pelvis position. So tuck the toes under again, extend the knees so the knees are floating in the air, and then with this feet position, it's a little bit easier to find the neutral pelvis and spine position. So zipping the belly in and up so the belly is moving away from the floor and the pubic bone is softly pressing into the mat. When you have found that, your sacrum is pulling towards the heels, you can lengthen the toes but keep the pelvis position. Powerhouse is hopefully already engaged. And then start to lift the elbows away from the floor so you just get a nice active starting position. Look down, nose is floating just above the mat. Inhale to prepare. Exhale to lift the head and the rib cage up. Inhale to hold, press into the ball. And exhale to roll down, ribs are coming back. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, back extension, come up, but still keep the lowest rib on the ground. In Pilates, it's always about length, not height. Exhale to come up. Inhale to hold, keep the feet grounded. And exhale to roll down. Keep your abdominal tension throughout the whole exercise, to protect your lower back. What about your shoulders? Keep them low. Let's add the ball whenever you're ready. So exhale to come up. Inhale to roll the ball away from you to extend the arms. Exhale, bring the ball back, lifting a bit higher and roll it down. Exhale up. Inhale to roll the ball away from you. Exhale, bring the ball back. And inhale to lower down. Beautiful work here. Give me 3 more. Imagine there's a little ice cube underneath your belly and you don't want to touch it. Just visualization. An image that should help you to keep the abdominals active. Okay, final one. Keep the arms long now and keep the rib cage lifted. And then from here, with your next exhale, lift the legs up as well and start to swim with your legs. Breathe in for 4. In and out. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4 and out. Breathe in and out through pursed lips. So just the legs are moving, keep the rest of the body steady and calm. Press the ball down to keep the shoulders away from your ears and think about your abdominal tension. Point your feet. 3 more breathing rhythms here. Look to your ball. Squeeze your glutes. Final one. And with the exhale, you stop the movement, breathe out the rest of the air and sink down. Maybe build a pillow with your hands so you can rest the forehead on your hands. And then shake out your pelvis. Wiggle your pelvis a little bit from right to left. So you can bring back some softness into your back. Also very helpful here is to release the Pilates breath for a second. So send the breath into your lower back to relax each and every muscle fiber in your back. Then just slowly bringing your hands back underneath your shoulders, pressing up with strong arms, and just sit with your booty on your heels. Let's go for a shell stretch. Hands are connecting with your knees. just hold onto the knees as you round your spine and the thoracic spine. The upper back is pulling you backwards, but you're stopping yourself with the arms. So with this position, you open up the whole back. Maybe you want to include some movement rocking from right to left to loosen up the whole backside of your torso. Meet me in the center slowly and roll back up vertebra by vertebra. Amazing work, team.